Welcome to this complete Munich, Germany guide. Nestled in the heart of Bavaria, Munich is a city that brims with history, culture, and a plethora of attractions waiting to be explored. From the grandeur of its historic buildings to the vibrant energy of its bustling streets, Munich is a city that will capture your heart. Over the course of this video, we are going to delve into the top 10 must-visit attractions in Munich. These include the iconic Marienplatz, the tranquil English garden, the regal Nymphenburg Palace, the historic Munich Residenz, the bustling Viktualienmarkt, the informative Deutsches Museum, the fascinating BMW Museum and BMW Welt, the electrifying Allianz Arena, the convivial Hofbräuhaus München, and the captivating St. Peter's Church. Each of these attractions holds a unique charm, offering a glimpse into the soul of Munich. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Bavaria. Begin your Munich adventure at its vibrant heart, the Marienplatz. This central square, named after the Marian column erected in its center in the late 17th century, pulses with history and life. The square's architectural grandeur is a feast for the eyes, with the neo-Gothic New Town Hall dominating the skyline. Each day, crowds gather to watch the Glockenspiel chime, a charming spectacle of dancing figurines that recount tales from Munich's rich past. Throughout the year, the Marienplatz hosts a variety of events, from the bustling Christkindlmarkt, Munich's traditional Christmas market, to vibrant summer concerts. But it's not just the events that make this place special. It's the everyday life that unfolds here, the clinking of beer mugs at outdoor cafes, the hum of locals and tourists alike, the beautiful blend of the old and new. Marienplatz, a place where Munich's past and present beautifully collide. Next, escape to the tranquility of the English Garden. A sprawling expanse of green, this park reaches from the city centre to the northeastern city limits, making it one of the world's largest urban parks. The English Garden is a haven of serenity where the murmur of the Eisbach River intertwines with the rustle of leaves, creating a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. Here you can take a leisurely stroll, enjoy a picnic under the shade of centuries-old trees, or even join the locals in a game of chess. For the more adventurous, why not try your hand at surfing the Eisbach wave? Yes, you heard right, surfing in the heart of Munich. And if you're a fan of architecture, don't miss the Chinesische Turm, a 5-story pagoda-style tower that adds a touch of the exotic to this quintessentially European setting. The English Garden, Munich's green oasis in the heart of the city. Step back in time as you explore the regal Nymphenburg Palace. This grand edifice, designed in the Baroque style, was once the summer residence of Bavaria's rulers. It's not difficult to imagine why they chose this spot. The palace is a testament to the opulence of the era, with its elaborate interior decorations and intricate architectural details. Delve into the palace's storied history, where each room tells a tale of power, politics, and royal intrigue. The Great Hall, for instance, is a masterpiece of Baroque art, adorned with frescoes depicting the gods of Olympus. Don't forget to wander through the extensive palace gardens. Originally designed in the French style, they were later transformed into a picturesque English landscape garden. The gardens feature beautiful fountains, charming pavilions, and even a mini palace of their own. This journey through Bavarian history is a treat for the senses. Nymphenburg Palace, a royal flashback to Munich's majestic past. Continue your historical journey at the Munich Residenz. A royal palace in the heart of Munich. The residence was the epicenter of Bavarian power and politics for centuries. It is an emblem of the grandeur and opulence of the Bavarian monarchy, a testament to their love for the arts, culture, and architectural splendor. The Residenz is a labyrinth of richly adorned rooms and grand courtyards. Its architectural style is a melting pot of Renaissance, Baroque, Rococo, and Classicism, a testament to its evolution over the centuries. The Antiquarium, the oldest room in the Residenz, is a sight to behold with its barrel-vaulted ceiling and frescoes. Inside, you'll discover a dazzling array of treasures, from intricate tapestries, precious miniatures, crowns of Bavarian kings, to relics of saints. It's a veritable treasure trove that showcases the breadth and depth of Bavarian history and art. Munich Residenz, a treasure trove of Bavarian history and art. Discover the flavors of Munich at the bustling Viktualienmarkt. This open-air market, with its roots dating back to the early 19th century, offers an array of fresh produce that tickles the senses. Picture a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, the earthy aroma of spices, and the intricate bouquets of over 100 varieties of cheese. But Viktualienmarkt isn't just about the shopping, it's about the experience. Hear the lively chatter of vendors promoting their wares, the laughter of locals enjoying a sunny day, and the sizzling sounds of sausages cooking. Speaking of sausages, foodies will delight in the local dishes available. Try a hearty Weisswurst, a traditional Bavarian sausage served with sweet mustard and freshly baked pretzels. Or if you're feeling adventurous, sample some of the region's exotic cheeses paired with a glass of local beer. Viktualienmarkt isn't just a market, it's a celebration of Bavarian culture and cuisine. Viktualienmarkt, a foodie's paradise right in Munich's city centre. Unleash your inner scientist at the Deutsches Museum. This monumental museum, nestled in the heart of Munich, is a celebration of human curiosity and innovation. It is the world's largest museum of science and technology, boasting a staggering collection of over 28,000 exhibited objects from 50 fields of science and technology. With exhibits spanning from the Stone Age to the Space Age, it's a place where you can marvel at the first electric dynamo, lose yourself amidst the stars in the planetarium, or even take a step back in time to explore the mysteries of ancient Egypt. The museum is not just a collection of objects, but a journey through mankind's endless quest for knowledge and understanding. Every corner of the Deutsches Museum brims with the spirit of discovery and the thrill of innovation. It's a place that encourages you to question, to wonder, and to dream. Deutsches Museum, a testament to mankind's ingenuity. Rev up your engines at the BMW Museum and BMW Welt. Here, the past, present and future of BMW converge with fascinating flair. The museum's sleek silver bowl architecture houses an impressive display of more than 100 years of BMW's technical marvels. From iconic vintage vehicles to the evolution of the brand's engines and motorcycles, the museum presents a tangible timeline of BMW's illustrious history. Moving on to BMW Welt, we step from the past into the future. This futuristic structure, a marvel in its own right, showcases the latest innovations and future concepts of BMW. You'll find yourself marveling at the cutting-edge technology and forward-thinking designs that hint at the future of mobility. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply curious, the BMW Museum and BMW Welt offer an exciting exploration into the world of automotive engineering. BMW Museum and BMW Welt, a thrilling ride through automotive history. Feel the adrenaline rush at the Allianz Arena. This iconic stadium, with its unique facade of inflated ETFE plastic panels, is a shining beacon in Munich's skyline. Its architecture is a marvel, with a facade that can light up in an array of colors, truly a sight to behold. But the Allianz Arena is more than just a pretty face. It's the pulsating heart of football in Munich, a stage where legends are born and dreams are realized. Step inside and you're greeted by an atmosphere that's pure electricity. The roar of the crowd, the anticipation of the game, the sheer energy, it's an experience that's hard to put into words. Whether you're a die-hard football fan or just a casual observer, the Allianz Arena offers an experience that's both exhilarating and unique. So come, let yourself be swept away by the magic of the beautiful game at the Allianz Arena, where sports and architecture meet. Immerse yourself in Bavarian culture at the Hofbräuhaus München. This isn't just a beer hall, it's a cornerstone of Munich's heritage and a symbol of Bavarian hospitality. From the moment you cross the threshold, the aroma of traditional beer greets you, brewed according to centuries-old recipes. And what's beer without a hearty meal? Sample Munich's culinary delights, from crispy pork knuckles to fluffy pretzels, every dish a testament to Bavarian cuisine. But it's not just about the food and drink. The air vibrates with the lively tunes of traditional Bavarian music, played by lederhosen-clad musicians. The ambience is an orchestra of laughter, clinking glasses, and the hum of countless conversations. The Hofbräuhaus is more than a beer hall. It's a place where strangers become friends, sharing stories over frothy steins of beer. It's a place where tradition meets modernity and the spirit of Bavarian Gemütlichkeit. Warmth, friendliness and good cheer is alive and well. Hofbräuhaus München, the epitome of Bavarian Gemütlichkeit. End your Munich journey with a visit to St. Peter's Church. This architectural marvel, fondly known as Peterskirche, is steeped in history, dating back as far as the 8th century. Over the centuries, it has been rebuilt, embellished and restored, resulting in an exquisite blend of styles from Romanesque to Baroque. The intricate details of the altar, the gold-adorned ceiling, and the awe-inspiring frescoes are a testament to the artistic brilliance of the past. But it's not just the inside that's impressive. Climb the 296 steps of the church tower, and you're rewarded with a breathtaking panorama of Munich. From this vantage point, the city unfolds before your eyes, from the bustling Marienplatz to the tranquil English garden and beyond. And while you're soaking in the vista, take a moment, breathe in the crisp air, feel the sense of calm, and appreciate the spiritual tranquility that this place offers. St. Peter's Church, a spiritual haven offering unmatched city views. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Munich's must-see attractions. We started our journey in the heart of Munich, the bustling Marienplatz, then had a relaxing stroll through the verdant English garden. We admired the opulence of the Nymphenburg Palace and the Munich Residenz before treating our senses at the vibrant Viktualienmarkt. Next, we immersed ourselves in the world of science and technology at the Deutsches Museum, followed by a peek into the future at the BMW Museum and BMW Welt. We then felt the adrenaline rush at the Allianz Arena before stepping back in time at the Hofbräuhaus München, one of the oldest beer halls in the world. Lastly, we found tranquility and breathtaking views at St. Peter's Church. Each of these destinations offers a unique slice of Munich, painting a vibrant picture of a city that effortlessly blends tradition and modernity. Thank you for joining this Munich journey. Auf Wiedersehen and happy travels.